What's up, sweeties? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys a super quick, easy, and cute Dollartree Easter DIY decor project. First, I want to show you guys these two new finds that I found at Walmart as well as Dollartree. The first item is these egg dippers that I found. I think they are super cute. So basically, instead of using that little metal piece to hold your eggs and dip them into the cups for Easter while dyeing eggs, I found these egg whiskers at Walmart for only $1.98. So I'm really excited to use these for my children. I think it'll create less of a mess. So I have pink for my daughter and I grabbed blue for my son. I also grabbed this yarn kit from Dollartree. $1.25 tree, as we all know it now. And I thought this was just so cute. I've never seen this at Dollartree before. It seems like they've upped their game. But I think it's so cute. It'll be so fun to do after dyeing eggs or before dyeing eggs, however we choose to do it. So I got that one for my daughter, and I got this one for my son. I love it. It'll be so fun to do. I usually get the little painting boards from Dollar Tree. We'll do those on Easter. Alright, sweeties, so next I got the plastic eggs from Dollar Tree, and as you can see, it comes with all of the pretty different colors. I'm going to grab my cake dish. My husband and I got this beautiful glass cake dish for our bride and groom shower. I currently don't have any cake to put inside my cake dish at the moment, but this is so cute. This is a nice decor piece to sit on my countertop in my kitchen. I do think I should have got another pack of eggs, but it's okay. You can always add to it or add like a little bunny inside of there in the middle of the eggs. You can even add the Easter grass in there, which I will probably do. I think that this is such a cute idea and it adds a nice touch to my kitchen. And I just love the design on the eggs. I think they are so cute. I also want to show you guys the Dollar Tree Easter DIY wreath that I made. I also made this Dollar Tree DIY Easter SUNDAE. So the video for the wreath and the SUNDAE are both on my YouTube channel. I will post the links in the description box down below so you guys can check them out. But I think that all of these items are super cute. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. Give this video a huge thumbs up. Click the bell so you're notified each and every time I post a video. And I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you for tuning in to Life is TeeElle. I am out. Peace.